Is it really possible for us to get paid for reading words off a document without speaking a single word ourselves? And what if I told you that we found a little-known site that pays us $29 over and over again for doing this? Yes, you heard that right. Thousands of people from around the world are getting paid to read words off documents from the comfort of their own homes. It's all possible by tapping into the $4.4 billion voiceover industry. Needless to say, it's a Goliath of an industry. And there's tons of money to be made. Just look at what people are charging for short and simple voiceovers. And for longer scripts, this can turn easily into thousands of dollars in pure profit. But here's the main problem. In order to normally make a voiceover, you need to record your voice. That requires super expensive equipment, which you likely don't have lying around your house. And hey, maybe you aren't that good at speaking, or perhaps you're shy. I get it. So instead of speaking yourself, what if it were possible to turn any document into a voiceover without speaking a single word yourself? Well, after 22 months of blood, sweat, and tears, we've accomplished exactly this. AutoVoice Profits uses proprietary artificial intelligence to turn any words into a human-like voiceover. It only takes just one click and you're all done. And the best part is, you don't need to write a single word. All you have to do is upload the voiceover, documents, and scripts to our software, turn them into a human-like voiceover, and deliver to our customers. Yes, it's really that simple. These voiceovers are realistic, and people are willing to pay for them. And I know $29 may seem like a small amount of money, but it quickly snowballs into a large amount of online earnings. If we sell 5 voiceovers, we make $145. If we sell 10 voiceovers, we make $290. If we sell 20 voiceovers, we make $580. And if we sell 50 voiceovers, that makes us a whopping $1,450. See how quickly that adds up? Remember, this isn't rocket science, nor is it hard work. All we have to do is upload documents that were given to us on a special site, and we're paid $29 each time we do it. Here, let me show you how it works. Step 1. Click any of the buttons on this page to create your AutoVoice Profits account. Hurry, do this now as we'll be closing our doors soon to new users. Step 2. Download the documents given to you. This is super easy. It takes just one click. Step 3. Turn the document into a voiceover with our one-click artificial intelligence. Remember, you won't need to speak or write a single word. Step 4. Collect $29 payments by uploading the voiceover to a secret site. $29 is the minimum. It's not uncommon for us to get paid $100 or more per voiceover. Think there's more to it? There isn't. Yes, it's really that darn simple. Sometimes the good things in life are easy like that, and AutoVoice Profits is definitely one of them. Now, one thing I cannot stress enough is that you don't need to write a single word in these yourself. After all, who wants to do that? Boring! Instead, the documents are given to you, so you won't have to write a single word. All you have to do is turn these documents into voiceovers using the AutoVoice Profits and sell them on the secret site we show you. That's what you're getting paid for. Now at this point, you likely have an interest in AutoVoice Profits, but you're likely wondering how much it's going to cost you. It's probably going to be expensive, right? Well, here's the deal. After we were done developing AutoVoice Profits, we thought of charging $297 monthly for access. And this would be a very fair price. After all, AutoVoice Profits can easily pay us hundreds of dollars per voiceover, so it would quickly pay for itself. But we get it, $297 is a lot to commit to. Perhaps you've been burned before, and I understand if you're skeptical with all the BS floating around. So I'm going to make you an offer you can't refuse. Instead of charging you $297 per month, I'm going to offer AutoVoice Profits at a low, one-time price that anyone can afford. This will ensure that everyone has a fair shot at making money online, and it's our way of giving back to the community. However, there is a catch. Indeed, there are some strings attached. If you want to qualify for this special discount, you cannot delay. You must act now. That's because we'll only be offering this discount to a limited number of customers. Once all the spots are taken up, the doors will be closed. And if you know us, we don't mess around with that fake scarcity bullcrap. When I say something, I mean it. So if you come back later, you could lose your spot. Why risk that when you could have acted right now? And speaking of risk, there is none. You're backed by our rock-solid 30-day money-back guarantee. It's quite simple. If you aren't satisfied for any reason whatsoever, we will refund every penny of your money without hesitation. Because if we haven't delivered you value, we don't deserve your money. So what are you waiting for? There's no way for you to lose. The best thing for you to do for you and your wallet is to click the button below right now and get your hands on AutoVoice Profits at the lowest price. This is a decision that will quickly pay for itself, so take the plunge. Click the button below and secure access to AutoVoice Profits. We'll see you on the inside.